Hi there, traders, and welcome. So, what I'm going to show you now is the stock standard way how to place a trade on the TD365 platform. Okay, it's also called Cloudtrade. So, when you're searching online for your phone, for example, it'd be called under Cloudtrade for the app there. So, this is the online version. You can see a live account in front of you here. What you'll see is basically the popular markets. Now you have a list through there, and then you can add whatever you want and make whatever new list you want. But that's subject for another video down the track. So what we'll do is just focusing on how to place a trade, right? So you've got the two options here. You've got trade and order. You can also place it off a chart as well, but we'll wait for that for later on. Okay, so to place a trade and all the difference between those two, just click on either one of them, and then you have the same options up here. Now, remembering trade is only the current market, okay? So if you want to trade the current market exactly and you're watching it, then you can just put buy. You can click buy and hit submit, or you can click sell and hit submit, okay, depending on what you want to do. What you'll get is a little bonus. You'll see the estimated margin for how many contracts you want to do. So if you're doing $1 per point, we're on the Germany 40 here. I can see that $78 of margin will be taken, or not taken from my account, but just put aside. Okay, and then obviously if you go up, you can see the margin increases. All right, so that's placing a trade and remembering it's only at the current market prices. You can't do something outside of it. If you want to do something, buy well above or sell well above and vice versa for, below, then you use to order button, okay? So if we're looking to buy, you'll see the current prices there and you can't place a trade there via order, okay? What you have to do is either put your price well above. If you were thinking about buying at, say, 15,700, you want to wait to see it get up to that price, and then you're happy to buy because you think it's going to keep going higher. Then you set your price, click on buy, and you can hit submit. Now, what you can also do, you can set up your whole order in one hit. Hit the stop limit, click on stop, click on limit. You might have, okay, I want to stop that's once it gets there, I want it 20 points away, and you'll give you the price there. So once you buy at 15,700, which you'll see that's your order level, you can see the stop will be automatically into the system at 680, 15,680, and you can put your profit target. Let's do 40. Let's go for a big target there. And you can see that from our entry at 15,700 plus 40, our profit target will be 15,740, okay? Once you hit submit, you can see the orders are in there and ready to go. All right. So it's the same if you hit trade. If you hit the stop limit, click on the buy, for example, you can buy at market and you just do the same sort of thing. 20-point stop and a 40-point target. Now you'll notice these are different because it's 20 points and 40 points from your execution price at the current market of 15,679, which is here. Okay. So they're the two ways. Basically, it's just these two buttons. So if you wanted to trade it on the Germany 40, hit trade for at the market, and you can hit order for something that's outside the market, above or below. Okay. Now, just realize if you do hit order, all right, and you want to buy and you put it above, it will always be a buy on stop. So it won't do it until it gets to that order. Okay. If you're going to put a buy limit, which is below, okay, let's just say 50, okay, the market is here. You have to wait till it gets down to 650 before that's executed, and it's got to trade at that price. And then hopefully it goes down and you want it to go back up, okay? And it's exactly reverse for a sell, okay? If you think the market's going to go down, if you click on sell and you got the market at 650, okay, the market has to go down there to 650 before it's executed, and then hopefully it keeps going. And that's called a sell stop order. Now, if you want it above, you want it to pop up and come back down, okay, you do the opposite. You put it at 700, for instance, okay, it's got to get up there, up to 15,700. Hopefully it doesn't go too much higher than that. And then it comes back down again and triggers your exit, okay, your profit target. All right, so that's basically the differences in the orders and how to put the basics of how to put on an order on the Cloudtrade.